Alright, so today we're going to do the third and final part of the lecture of kinetic molecular theory and Dalton's law of partial pressure. We're going to talk about Dalton's law, but first, before we do that, we've got to talk about gas conversions. Pressure has several different units. We have atmospheres, millimeters of mercury, torr, and kilopascals. We can convert between pressure units using conversion factors. 1 atmosphere equals 760 millimeters of mercury equals 760 torr equals 101.3 kilopascals. These are all one-step conversions and are relatively easy to do. Our first example on how to do gas conversions, we are going to convert from atmospheres to kilopascals using the pressure of a gas at 1.32 atm in kilopascals. So the first thing we're going to do is write down our given, 1.32, and then we're going to use our conversion factor. We know 1 atm equals 101.3 kilopascals. So I'm going to put atm on the bottom so I can cancel out my units. And I'm going to put 101.3 on the top. And I'm going to multiply across. Right? We get 133.716. We can round to 134 kilopascals, just to keep our significant figures. So let's do our second equation, or example. What is the pressure of gas at 800 torr expressed in kilopascals? So we know 101.3 kilopascals equals 700 torr, I believe. So we write down our given, 800, and then we multiply it by our kilopascals over our torr, so we can cancel out that unit. Oh, 760, sorry. So 800 times 101.3 over 760 equals 107 kilopascals. Pretty simple, right? So now we're going to talk about what Dalton's law of partial pressure is. Dalton's law of partial pressure is the gas law that states that total pressure of a gas mixture is equal to the sum of the partial pressure of the individual gases. So we can write this equation: total pressure equals sum of partial pressures of a component gas. So P total equals P1 plus P2 plus P3. So pressure 1, pressure 2, pressure 3, so on and so forth for all of our pressures. A pressure inside a container that holds a gas increases when gas B is added. Partial pressure of gas B can be determined by once again using the Dalton's law of partial pressure at P total equals P1 plus P2, P3, so forth. So let's look at an example. A mixture of gases containing methane, ethane, and propane have an unknown total pressure. If partial pressure of methane, ethane, and propane are 235, 452, and 294, respectively, what is the total pressure of gas? So all we're going to do to find the total pressure is add these three numbers together. If we were given these numbers in different units, we would have to convert all to the same unit. So if we added them all together, we would get a total pressure of 980.